So we are going over the operation of Fireboat 11.5 pump, which is identical to 11.8 and 11.6. So before we get involved with the control panel here, while they are not on, sometimes we have vent covers on the starboard side, the port side. It's important to take them off before we run the pump. This way it cannot fit, and we'll show you how you put the blower on. So that's that. This does not have its own separate battery, unlike some of the other boats, so you don't need, I take that back. There is a battery switch right here, so this is one battery you need to put on. Turn the battery on. Sometimes if the previous operator has the blower switch on and the lights on, they'll come on, but when you want to turn the blower on, you'll hear that. That's to vent any fumes in there like you would in the other boat engine, and your lights here if it's night or day. Your deck gun should start out in closed position, so you want to open that.
Yeah.
Our engine, so we're going to open that all the way, and then next to you'll see a green light come up. Okay, we're open. So then to bring water into the boat, there's no siphon hoses or anything you throw over. You got to open up your main intake valve. You're going to press it, and you're going to hold it for maybe 10 seconds, 15 seconds until that green light goes open. The actual instrument attached to this is in the lower compartment, second one over on the starboard side. There's a mechanism in there that actually is turning to open it up. So when you see green, open. Now, if that never goes green, you can go back there and you can turn it by hand. Then to start it, there's two buttons. You need to, two switches rather, you need to make sure you put on. This one, on, off, that's easy. This is the one everybody always forgets about. You got to turn this one on as well. And we're going to start it. You do not have a choke on this, so it makes it easy. You want to start. It's flowing already. So you can control the deck gun right from these switches right here. We also have this on the helm. We do not have throttle on the helm. So if you want to raise it, bring it up. Left, right. If you want to go from straight stream to fog, make sure you throttle all the way down before you throttle it up in fog. Same thing if you're going back to straight. If you don't, you'll possibly break the mechanism in the nozzle. So that's pretty much it. The throttle here, to make it go a little bit faster, I'm not going to crank it. Just turn it to the left.